What's up YouTube, and welcome back to WoodandStuff. Today we have an exciting tutorial for y'all. We'll be showing you how to mount a Holosun 407K red dot optic to a Springfield Hellcat OSP. So if you want to take your shooting experience to the next level, stick around and we'll get started. Step 1, safety first. Let's go ahead and clear the weapon of any bullets. So we're going to pull the magazine out. We're going to lock the slide to the rear. Then we're going to go ahead and take a peek inside to ensure that there's no bullets in the chamber. Once we're sure that we're clear and safe, we'll move on to step 2. Step 2, we're going to disassemble the pistol. We're going to start by locking the slide to the rear. Then we're going to flip up the disassembly switch. We'll pull the slide back so that it moves forward. Then we're going to pull the trigger and slide the slide off of the grip. Then we're going to go ahead and pull the retention spring out, followed by the barrel, and there you go. Alright, step 3, let's prepare for the red dot install. Now let's make sure that we gather all the tools that you'll need for the installation. We're going to require a screwdriver set, the Holosun 407K red dot optic, and the DPP mounting plate, and I'll put a link in the description for that plate. It's made out of titanium, very thin and light, fits perfectly so that the Holosun will mate up with the Hellcat very well. Next, we're going to go ahead and remove the optic cover by using a Torque 10 screwdriver and unscrewing the 2 screws that you see here at the top of the plate. Step 4, we're going to go ahead and install the red dot. Once you have the optic plate cover removed, if you place the 407K in its place now, you'll see that there's a space, a gap, because the sight is not seating well onto the slide, and that's because the 4 legs that hold the optic in place don't fit well in the optic, and I'm not sure what causes that. The remedy that you have is to grind those feet down and then try to retrofit the optic onto the slide. I don't like doing that, especially if you're not very good at it. You can ruin the slide. So instead, I bought this DPP optic plate, which fits very well and allows you to then place the optic on top of it and secure everything in place real well. It also comes with the correct length screws so that you can properly secure the optic to the slide. Step 5, we're going to torque the screws down. We're going to do that using a fix-it stick, and we're going to torque the screws down to between 20 and 30 pounds. I'll have a link down in the description so that you can get exactly what you need to do the job. Step 6, we're going to reassemble the pistol. You're going to reinsert the barrel, reinsert the spring. Then you're going to go ahead and put the slide back onto the grip assembly. You're going to pull that slide and lock it back. Then you're going to go ahead and rotate the takedown lever back down. Then you're going to go ahead and release the slide and do a quick safety check by pulling the trigger, and you're done. Hey, thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave some comments below.